Hey, it's Dan from Always Garage. I got challenged by Wood Metal Garage to a What's in Your Pocket challenge. Well, that's the challenge because I hate having crap in my pockets, so there ain't going to be a whole lot. I travel pretty light, not a whole lot of fancy stuff. So we'll get started and I'll show you what's in the pockets. Keys, 2003 F-150. Yeah, it still runs. Pocket change, which probably isn't something normally carried by many anymore, but still snack machines out there. Gotta have the funds for that. Wallet, loaded with receipts and ones. You never know. You might break down next to a strip club or something. You gotta be prepared, right? And occasionally I'll have my shop keys with me. Not all the time, but... And that's pretty much it. I don't carry a whole lot. I travel real light. Usually pins and stuff like that. I carry a few more items when I go to swap meets, but day to day, this is about it. And even when I'm working in the garage, I don't have any of this stuff in my pockets. I don't like crap in my pockets kind of guy. Now, I guess I get to call out some other channels. I'd like to call out CNC Auto Works. We want to see what's in your pockets. Mopar Nut 62. Got you, dude. Let's see what's in your pockets. And Bryce deCastro. I don't know if you've been called out yet or not. I got you now. Let's see what's in your pockets, bro. Anyways, it's been fun. Kind of a cool little deal. Any of these guys, CNC Auto Works, Mopar Nut 62, and Bryce deCastro, which is Project Frankenstein. Be sure and check out their channels. They got some really cool stuff going on. Mopar Nut 62 is always doing a little bit of something. Bryce has got that 74 3/4 ton Ford he's been working on, and the CNC guys are working on a 69 Mustang at the moment. So be sure and check them out at CNC Auto Works, Mopar Nut 62, and Bryce deCastro, which is Project Frankenstein. And thanks to you, Woody, at Wood Metal Garage for giving me the opportunity to participate in the What's Your Pocket Challenge. We'll see you on the next one.